listeners. Picture this: your electricity bills shrinking while your profits soar. Yes, it's not just a dream, it's the power of solar energy. Imagine installing solar panels and watching your expenses drop. But it gets better. How about a 125% rebate? That's right, you're not just saving, you're turning your investment into a 25% profit on top of those energy savings. This isn't just a chance, it's a golden opportunity that could slip away if you hesitate. The time to act is now. Don't let the sun set on your potential savings. Reach out to LRG Solar today for a tailored EPC solution that fits your business, agricultural holding, or commercial property. The future is bright, and it's powered by the sun. Call us at 083-218-7560 or drop an email to sales@lrgsolar.com or nick@lrgsolar.com. Visit our website at .lrgsolar.com and take the first step toward a sustainable, profitable